figure I'd hit you with another great detail. And you got these homes that you are perpetually building and adding on to, especially in these larger scale homes. I think we have like close to 30 HVAC zones, radiant heat. This is just one of several mechanical rooms in this home, and you could tell this is a monster. You gotta verify everything. So we got today's verification day. We have all the trades here. We have the electrician, HVAC, my guys. We are all going at it. We are verifying every single unit, verifying how the HVAC is working, how the radiant is working, the IDs, remote sensors, all the functionality. Summer is around the corner and you need to verify that things work the way you anticipate it. And this is the best time. Family's not here, house is fairly open. Now is the time to get ahead of it. Nobody wants to be there after the fact trying to explain themselves of why things aren't working the way they're supposed to work. As they say, delegate but verify. Verify, verify, verify. That's what we're doing. As you can see, tons of thermostats, controllers, and not for nothing, we even noticed, look, there could be better labeling here for each zone, so we have additional labeling going out and everything. Because the idea is anybody should be able to put this together with minimal direction. Even the homeowner themselves should be able to come down, see these missing labels, gotta label it out. And again, if you're not front and center, not trying to figure out and make sure that these sites are perfect, they will get ahead of you. The worst thing you can have is a customer figure it out that you are not doing what you're supposed to. We don't want to be just that regular AV integrator. We are the concierge. We are their voice, and we make sure things work the way they anticipate. So, more cool facts with Restrepo. Catch you at the next one.